All right, we got in and the Calixes are here. I have to order some closed shelving, and that's maybe half the boxes that we have to fit in. So obviously the Calixes are not going to do all that, and I'm going to have to figure out some alternative storage solutions, but I have vowed that I am going to live in this house, and however much space I have is how much I'm going to have. All right, we got that one down there. And in case you're worried that I'm covering up a window with a bookcase, I have 5 full windows, a door, and half a window, even with that bookcase. And Josie's going to move that down. Leave some room, honey, because I'm going to put a rotating bookshelf between them. All right, how does that look?
Good.
All right. Yay. Now I can measure this space for how much closed storage I can have. And my TV is either going to go over that bookcase or that Calix or that Calix. Thanks for helping, Joe.
Yep.
Okay, so I was talking to my son's girlfriend yesterday, and she said the hardest part about organizing is when you have that and you don't know where to start. So my very first thing that I always start with is the boxes of boxes. So I have made decorative boxes that are really cute. And then I've bought some boxes and some vintage boxes. And then I have my Calix inserts that help with splitting things up. Because having Calix cubes is great, but they're big open spaces and they don't always fit the right things. So this is going to be step one. I'm going to go open a bunch of boxes, put some stuff in the boxes, and then come back. Okay, I just wanted to take a real quick break in here in the middle. And they're filling up. And is this where they're going to go? Where the stuff is going to go when it's finally all done? Absolutely not. But there is such a funny thing that happens when you realize that you have standardized one of your craft things. So to me, fabric tape and embossing go together because they were in the same drawer years ago. And so now I just put them in my desk drawer, top and bottom, because I have more. But that's not something that anybody but you can know. I know that fabric tape and embossing go together, and it's only a rule for me. Okay, I did a big push to do all the big boxes. I have 2 left, but that big pile is gone. Those are either put away or in these boxes because I have 2 more units coming for there and there. So I have to wait until I get those, but I'm going to keep plugging away, and I don't have anything new to put stuff in. So the cubes are getting pretty full right now, but we'll keep going. Oh my gosh. Johnny built my rotating bookshelf last night, and I put the Key West lamp up there. But I wanted to give you a before and some thoughts. It's super light right now. So I'm going to make sure to see I have that box there. That box is never going to come out once the bookshelf is full. So I'm going to move it over to the next one because then I'll be able to pull it out. That set of sides is going to have to be very carefully done to know that everything's going to be able to be pulled out around the corner of the rotating bookshelf. All right. It's starting to get a little bit better. This is all stuff that doesn't have a home right now. I got some of the paper organizers, which will really help. And then I really calmed down that side. And once I get some of my storage cabinets, those will be able to fit in there. All right, it's Monday morning. We moved on Wednesday. I ordered 2 different closed storage units, And one of them came, although it still says it's being delivered, so I'm not sure what that's about, but I was building drawers and shelves last night, and maybe that'll get done today. I do have a lot to do today, though. All right, after 3 days, not all the time, but working off and on, the first fancy cabinet is done and in place. So that's going to be step one of setting up the craft room.